Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this really easy low chignon hairstyle. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and I've popped it into a side parting. Now I'm just going to take a chunk of hair on either side of the head from the ears forward. We're going to bring these together at the back of the head and tie them together with a clear elastic band. Now pop your fingers behind that elastic band, grab the ends of that little ponytail, pull it through so you're creating a twist. Add some texture spray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and all we're going to do is pinch and pull at both twists and the hair around the crown. Next we're going to split the remaining hair in half and pop the right hand side into a ponytail. On the last turn of the elastic band, don't pull the hair all the way through, just pull it part way through so you create a little loop. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Now popping your fingers through the hole in the loop on the right hand side, we're going to grab that left hand loop and pull it all the way through that little hole. Then secure it to the head using as many bobby pins as needed all around the outside of that chignon. You should be left with two tail ends. All we're going to do is cross these over each other, bring them up to the side of the chignon and pin them on both sides. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.